Hello YouTube, this is Dazza the cameraman. Today is Friday the 15th of August 2014 and this is another look at the shield or wagon wheel object that everyone's been looking at in the stereo ahead HI2 camera. I've gone back to 2007, back to the 1st of June, which was another time when this apparition had appeared, and we're going to take a look at what happens as we run forward through the next 2 months, and we can load up 28 days at a time in this HI2 archive. So I'm going to run this forward, and at the moment we can see the shield or wagon wheel is down here. We've got Venus is here, and let's run this forward and see how it looks. So we can see that the shield is moving towards Venus as Venus moves down, and also we can see this point is moving in closer. Okay, now according to Dark Sky Watcher, there is what he calls a corrector plate in here, but obviously there isn't, otherwise we wouldn't be able to see the background stars. He's blaming this non-existent corrector plate for causing this shield, but as we can see in this video, the shield is actually moving closer towards Venus. Now I'm going to stop that one, and we're going to go to the next date. This one goes for 28 days from the 1st of June up to the 28th of June. So let's go to the next one, and this one goes from the 28th of June through 28 days. So let's play this one, and I'll just speed that up. And again you can see that Venus is moving down, and as Venus moves down we can see that the shield is moving up and away, exactly as we would expect for a lens flare, which is exactly what we're seeing here. And we can see that that point of light is moving upwards and away. So again, clearly it cannot be part of any corrector plate or occulter or anything like that that Dark Sky Watcher claims is there. It just isn't there. Okay, so let's stop that one, and we'll go to the third one where we'll actually see this thing disappear out of view as Venus moves away and becomes less illuminated. So this one is from the 20th of July 2007, picking up from where we left off. So let's run this forward, and I'll speed it up again. And so we can see there, as Venus is now coming around in its orbit, remember that the Sun is over here, and Venus's orbit comes around like this as it heads around the Sun. So Venus is heading around the Sun, it's coming around and down, and as it moves away, and the angle means that there's less sunlight shining on the surface of Venus that as seen from the stereo spacecraft at the angle that we're on, it means less illumination, it means less lens flare. So we can see this lens flare is moving away and disappearing. Now remember that this was back in 2007. It's also happened in 2009, 2011, 2012, and of course we're seeing it now. And over the next few days and weeks we're going to see exactly the same thing happening as we're seeing here. So hopefully that's the final nail in the coffin. It's not a shield according to Thor News or BP Earthwatch. It's not a neutron star. It's not part of an occulting disk. It is a lens flare. It's a lens flare caused by Venus. As always, do check out my Facebook discussion page, Voices of Reason to Explain X, VORTEX. You'll find a link in the description area. Thank you for watching.